can't see you.
You know what?
How you doing?
Hi, Courtney.
Court. Court.
What?
Will you marry me?
No.
Are you serious? You're such a liar. Are you serious? You're such a liar.
Go out and look at it. Closer.
I'll get look at it.
He's not gonna bite you.
Is that real? You're such a liar.
Courtney!
Well, he's asking you a question. And Courtney, remember that I'm videotaping, please. Well, he has to put it on.
Oh, really?
He has to.
What if it doesn't fit?
And if it doesn't, don't worry about it. It's a
He knows you better now.
Well, you have to answer him first. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Left hand.
Left
Take
hand.
your other ring off. Okay, wait a minute. As the videotape, they are old enough to actually be doing this. Courtney's just a little blonde. Go ahead.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so serious.
Yes,
Courtney, I'm not
You're such a liar.
No,
Courtney,
no,
I'm not videotaping for nothing. They're just. Okay, well, don't shove it on if it doesn't.
That's as far as it goes.
We'll get it sized. Did you answer him? Yeah.
She said,
Okay, is there any? I was going to say hugging and kissing is okay.
Now the queen.
Okay, wait a minute. Courtney Jean, what kind of a hug was that?
Is this real?
Yes.
It's not a joke.
in front of the whole
No.
family.
That's when we went to go do something and we had Paul with us and you couldn't find him.
You wanted to know where he was?
That's the night we went to the mall.
Yeah.
Where
Are you guys trying to let me get my makeup on? I didn't know I'd be on video.
I guess if he asked you to marry you without makeup,
Yeah.
you